Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Xiaomi Poco X3, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both devices and get application to transfer data. So let's do this. Type here clone it. And we have to get this application. Here we get the full name of this app. And of course, let's do the same on this Huawei smartphone. Okay, let's open on our Poco. And here we have to accept all of the permissions that pops on our screen. It is going to happen on the both smartphones, so just simply accept it. Right now let's open on the Huawei phone. And right now we have to click sender on Huawei. And receiver on your Xiaomi Poco. Click receiver one more time and tap search again. Right now, if you get here the Android share icon, we have to tap on it. So like in my case, just tap. And right now we can connect in the two ways. The fastest is to scan the QR code, but also you can input this password manually right here. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Right now they are connecting and we have to accept this request. So right now, if you want to send all of the data from the Huawei smartphone, you have to tap on all of these icons. And here we got the size of the selected files and also estimated time, 35 minutes. After that, you have to click start. But in my case, I will go below because it's only example. So I go here and I think that I'm going to show you how it looks on the music. So I'm going here, unselect all of these things. And I will take only these two songs. So if you select everything, click start, then just OK. And as you can see, it is finished. So right now we can go for the file manager and just check if it is working. And we'll be probably in the music. And as you can see, here we got our songs. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.